Behind the scenes, unbelievably cool things are taking place. The CEO of Ripple has shown again that the case against the SEC will soon be over. But what's even more interesting is that the SEC has let slip the price of XRP in the future. You did hear that right. This really feels good. XRP Ripple could go up to $3,541. That's pretty cool, right? You should not miss this video. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene. Everyone in the crypto world is still paying attention to the ongoing legal drama between Ripple and the SEC. It shows how complicated regulatory impact and possible conflicts of interest can be. Judge Torres recently said that some XRP sales were unregistered securities offers. As a result, Ripple will have to pay a big $125 million fine. But Ripple hasn't taken this lying down. They've fought back by filing a Form C appeal, disagreeing with how the court used the Howey test and pointing out that regulations about digital assets are not clear. Ripple's main point is that the Howey test, which was created in 1946 to see if a deal is an investment contract, was never meant to be used for complicated digital assets like XRP. Ripple says this wrong application shows how the SEC still uses old ways of thinking about new financial tools. To make things even more confusing, Ripple has said that digital assets need their own set of rules, which is something that many people in the crypto world agree with. In response, CryptoGeek said in a tweet that a settlement deal from the SEC could mean that XRP's value could go up, estimating that it could reach $1,000 to $3,500 per XRP if the right conditions are met. This made-up value shows that the market believes XRP has a lot of untapped promise, especially if it can get past problems with the government. It's interesting that some critics, like former SEC lawyer Mark Fagel, have questioned how the agency handles fines. Some people see these fines as a way to stop people from doing bad things, but Fagel made it clear that the money from fines like the one Ripple got does not go back to the SEC. They are instead given to the Treasury, whistleblower funds, or investors who have proven they have lost money. Fagel said that the fine would be seen by institutional buyers in Ripple's case, but there is no restitution fund for retail XRP users because there haven't been any losses shown. Many people in the crypto community are now skeptical after hearing this news. They are thinking if the SEC's harsh approach to fining is really doing what's right. To make things even worse, Twitter user XRP Captain tweeted about a recent event XRP case, appeal can still be dismissed. With this date coming up, it's unclear whether the SEC will be able to defend its position or whether Ripple will clearly gain the upper hand. If Ripple's appeal is successful, it could not only prove that XRP is right, but it could also send a strong message about how bad the current crypto regulations are, which many people see as stopping innovation instead of pushing people to follow the rules. Here are some of the ways that the SEC's moves affect crypto investors and businesses. A lot of people say that the SEC's dependence on enforcement actions could make people less trusting of the US regulatory system as a whole. CryptoGeek's made-up XRP price suggests that the market thinks that legal clarity, or the lack of it, can have a big effect on the value of an asset. The case against Ripple is a very important time for cryptocurrencies, because the result could change the way digital assets are handled in the US and other countries. Also, as the intense Ripple vs. SEC case starts to wind down, crypto experts from all over the world are joining in. And what did they think? We'll just say that they changed the game. Some people are calling it a once-in-a-lifetime chance to make money that could change the market. You're not ready for what's going to happen. Don't think that XRP has reached its highest point yet. You won't want to miss this, possible the most bullish sign we've ever seen. So the XRP community has long trusted in the untapped potential of their token, even though it has had a rough road and has been undervalued for a long time. Analysts and crypto influencers alike think that a huge rally is about to happen because XRP is selling at a fraction of what it could be worth. During all of this energy, JXRP tweeted with confidence, "Will XRP moon?" This was in line with the thoughts of many XRP fans who think that now might be the time for the coin to break out of its price range. Brett adds to this momentum by saying that the XRP parabolic rise will show that the community's hard work and patience paid off. For a group that has been through years of regulatory battles and market volatility, this possible rally is personal and shows how dedicated they are. In this situation, the pipeline flow model gives us a new and interesting way to look at how much XRP is worth. This model, which was created by evolutionary scientist Dr. Dion Bax, compares the price changes of XRP to water moving through pipes by using examples from ecological systems. From this point of view, XRP's payment system is like a network of pipes. The price or number of transactions controls the water pressure. The model says that the value of XRP could go up as more large-scale foreign exchange deals use it. This method does more than just guess the price of XRP. It sets up a way for XRP's price to reflect real rising demand. Even a fair market value of $3,541 is suggested by the pipeline flow model, which is a huge jump from the present trading price of XRP. But why does XRP trade for so little? If the model shows that there is such a chance, some people say that the price of XRP has been lowered, possibly by government moves and Ripple's own sales of XRP. Ripple has repeatedly denied reports that it actively lowered the price of XRP, saying that the goal of these sales was to make XRP more liquid and available on the market. Others blame the SEC, which has been in a court battle with Ripple for 4 years and has cast a shadow over XRP. Some people think that the case slowed the growth of XRP by discouraging institutional investors and calling Ripple's credibility into question. In the past, XRP has shown that it can go through the roof. For example, during the bull run in 2017 and 2018, it went through the roof by 60,000% in just 1 year, reaching almost $4. But since then, it has had a hard time getting back to those highs. This is what gave it its nickname, because it is still used for institutional trades even when the market isn't very exciting. But new predictions are making people excited. Random CryptoPoll thinks that XRP will be worth at least $17 and no more than $100. Levi, on the other hand, thinks that it will be worth between $4.40 and $8.80, even in the worst-case situation for the next week. These are big numbers, especially when you consider how much XRP is worth right now. But for those who are loyal to XRP, this number doesn't seem so impossible. In fact, they point to a fair market value that is still mostly out of reach because the property is still being undervalued. Isn't that crazy? The real surprise is still ahead. There is a clear message being sent by the powerful CEOs and top market experts who are speaking out. It's time to get more XRP. So how many coins would it really take to get financial freedom, or maybe even an infinite amount of money? Stay put? We're going to go deep and break it all down step by step. People are talking more and more about the future of XRP, and Eduardo Farina, CEO of Alpha Lions Academy, is one of the people leading the charge. He's getting people excited with a strong statement. Smart buyers should try to get at least 3,000 XRP. But why is this advice being given? At the heart of Farina's argument is the idea that XRP's supply is limited. It opens a door to chances that have never been seen before for those who see it. One important thing that sets Ripple's XRP apart from many other cryptocurrencies is that there are only 100 billion coins available. About 39 billion of these tokens are being held safely by Ripple right now. The company decides when they can be used. Because of this deliberate management, there is a limited quantity for trading, which makes the asset even more scarce. Farina says that a big chunk, about 50 billion XRP, is set aside for on-demand liquidity operations. This is a service that Ripple offers to make cross-border transfers quick and cheap. This model not only shows how XRP can be used strategically, but it also shows how important it is becoming in the financial world. This supply system has very important effects. Since there isn't much XRP available for trading and investing in general, demand is likely to rise as word gets about how useful XRP is. As Farina points out, investors who own 3,000 XRP might be in a small group, less than 1% of the world's population, that no one else has. There are already a lot of XRP in circulation, and big institutions and long-term buyers hold a lot of it. This means that the real percentage may be even lower. This lack of supply gives buyers a one-of-a-kind chance to make money. Farina's claim is based on the idea that as more individual investors buy XRP, its price will surely rise. This is especially true since Ripple is forming more and more global partnerships to help more people use XRP. The way the market works suggests that the value of XRP could go through